In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get best Amtrak discount codes. The most important thing to know right from the start is that the best Amtrak discounts usually come directly from Amtrak itself, not from random third-party coupon websites. In many cases, the savings are already built into the booking process through the Amtrak Deals and Promotions page, through traveler category discounts, or through specific official promo offers such as student or seasonal regional promotions. So if you want the best price, the safest and most reliable place to look is Amtrak's own website. To begin, go to the Amtrak homepage. Once you're there, head to the main booking tool on the home screen. This is where you can search for routes and also unlock any eligible built-in discounts based on your trip details and traveler type. Start by entering your departure location in the From field. Make sure you choose the correct station or city so your search results are accurate. After that, enter your destination in the To field. Taking an extra second here helps prevent mistakes and makes sure you're comparing the right fare options. Next, select your departure date. If your travel dates are flexible, it can be helpful to check nearby dates later on, since train prices can vary depending on demand. Then, if you're booking a round trip, choose your return date as well. This gives you a complete fare search and can sometimes reveal better value across the full trip. Now move to the Traveler section and click the drop-down menu. This part is especially important because Amtrak offers discounts based on passenger type, and selecting the right category is often how you get the best available deal without needing a separate coupon code. If you're a senior age 62 or older, choose the senior passenger type. This can save you 15% on the regular adult rail fare. Be sure the age qualification applies before selecting it, since eligibility matters when booking discounted travel. If you're active duty military, a veteran, or an eligible dependent, choose the appropriate military traveler category. This discount offers 10% off rail fares and is another example of how Amtrak includes savings directly in the booking tool instead of relying on outside coupon sites. As a final tip, keep in mind that Amtrak may also feature official promotions for certain groups or regions, including student offers and seasonal specials. But the key takeaway is simple. The best Amtrak discount codes and fare reductions are usually found by booking directly through Amtrak and selecting the correct deal or traveler category during checkout. That's how to get the best Amtrak discount codes quickly and correctly.